Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing really well. Today I'm gonna let you know how Screaming Frog tools work. This video might be long, but anyway, I'm gonna cover up all the uh, feature we have in the Screaming Frog. You can see this is the Screaming Frog, and first of all, whenever you need to audit your website, you need to put the website here and just click on start. Then it will start crawling. So today the main thing what I'm gonna let you know, I'm gonna introduce this all the feature we do have here and what are they and how is what. In the very top of the left hand side you have the file things. If you go through here, you see the settings. In the settings section you have the license, user interface, language. Whenever you purchase a Screaming Frog license, you need to activate the username and password, then is quickly uh, activate. Then we do have view mode configuration. So these the things are always what it look likes over here, but the main function we need for the audit is this. Exactly, these are the things, these are the menu what we need to know about this, and I'm gonna discuss everything here from now on. First, we know this is showing the internal. That's mean the internal linking. How many internal link we have in our pages? It's gonna show here. Then we have the external. If your website have any external linking, those the links are here, and you can see this. These are the external link you do have in your websites. Then the security, this one is like for the thing purpose, like is a HTML URL, HTTPS URL, form URL. Then we have the response code. You need to know what is mean by the status code. This status code 200 means that your website page is good, and if you know that some status code have like 300 3 access, those the status code like called the redirection. And if we have the 400 status code 4 access, that means like this website have these pages have already have some errors, so we need to fix up this type of errors. So that's the things we need to know, what is 400 euros. And that's the last thing we know. We need to know that 500 euros, if your website have any page like 500 euros, that means you have issues with your server, so you need to recheck your server, your file manager, and etc. And the URLs, so all the URLs you do have, you can see here. Page title, that's the call the meta title, meta descriptions. These are the things. All the page have different page title. This is the title. What is the title length? Is called is saying it's a 46 character, or that is indexable or non-indexable. You can see from this page title. Meta keywords. Meta keywords are those keywords that are shown like in our um, focusing keyword. Those are being talked about meta keywords. Meta description. Meta description, as you know, meta title, meta description. What is this? There's the meta description. If you have this page meta description, it might show here. If you don't, that gonna say this missing. How you can see this all the overview things? If you come down in the right hand side, there you can see a overview. Look, this is called the meta description. Once you click on the meta description, this overview will quickly pop up here. And you can see that all these pages have 4 page meta description missing. Here is saying this 4 page have meta description missing, and If any page have duplicate meta description, this gonna be show up here. If some page have the meta description over 155 characters or 160 characters, it's gonna be show up here. This is how it's talk. Canonicals, once you click on the canonicals, then it gonna be show up here. That's you, which page you do have canonical, and how which page have the self-referencing. In this canonical, you need to find out if you do have any missing canonical. If it's canonicalized, that's okay. If it's self-referencing, that's fine. There's no need to do anything else about the self-referencing or canonicalized. Basically, when a page don't have canonical, or if it's missing, you need to do the um, canonical for this page. That's called self-referencing. And sometimes if you have the similar type of content, and Google thinks uh, or any type of crawler thinks you have the content, same type of content, and you want to keep one content uh, about two as your main content, then you need to uh, put your main content canonical self-referencing to the other content canonical. So then whenever you do this, they're gonna come down and be canonicalized. That's easy things. I might discuss it in any other day in any other video, obviously. Just remind me in your comment box so that I can do that any other times. H1, in each and every page, how many H1 you do, how many H, and what is the length of H1s is showing here, and how many are missing is saying two pages have H1 missings. If there any H1 duplicate, it might show here. If the H1 got over 70 character, it also gonna tell you. So it's very easy to find out what actually you need to do to focus on in your on page and technical things. You can easily grab this from this screaming frog uh, tools. Then same thing as like H1, H2 is same. Now this is the big things, big fish, as I said. This is content. You know, best content is king, but all content not king. So in the overview, what you're gonna see that if you have the any duplicate content, it's gonna show up here. I mean, click the content again. Okay. If we do have any duplicate things, it will show here. If you have near duplicates, it might show here how many pages you do have near duplicate. If you have low content page, like if any content have like 100 character or 100 words, 200 words, 150 words, those page will show in your low content page. Like let's like here, if there is 3 pages as low content, like this one customer name is have only 27 characters count. I mean only 27 word count, and they have shops. Those cost only 49 word, and the book online is only have 121 character. However, is all 3 space looks like indexable, and if not, it's better to increase the content yeah, length. So crawler always give you positive response. And another things in the content, some content got soft 404 pages. If so, then they're gonna appear here spelling errors. So this is very important. Like for me, when I write down content, I always do spelling message. Thanks God we have Grammarly and any others, some others tools, so that they always suggest me to rewrite my spelling mistakes. But yeah, before you publish your content, make sure you watch your spelling, grammar errors, any grammatical errors, same things, spelling errors, grammatical errors. That's also you need to focus, because you know, like when crawler gonna try to rank your site, this specific keyword you need to focus. So if someone search um, like home remodeling, and your website is home remodeling, and if you mistakenly make home, any spelling mistake like home remodeling, just home demodeling, so the home remodeling client, whoever search home remodeling, that type of hit not gonna come to your website. You must understand that, right? Okay. Next, we have the image things. Whenever you how many images you have published your website so far, everything gonna come down in image. And what are the overview, what you need to focus on. If you have the over 100 kilobyte image, you need to short them up. Simple things. So it's showing this they have 12 images, those are 100 kilobyte. Their um, net total space, so you need to make them squeeze them up. If any um, image have alter missing, if any have the alter attribute missing, all the things you can know from here. So this is very good things, so that you understand what you have, what's going on in your image, so you can quickly make your decision. We don't see anything here, but still we have a huge list here. Like we have pagination, we have directives here, string, JavaScript, links in the JavaScript, like as you know, you, when you have in your developing site, you need to do something. If any page speed have some issues, and that issue arise from your JavaScript, you can see from this type of errors from here. Then you can suggest your developer what need to do and what not. Yeah. So that's actually the developer side. You have the sitemaps issues. Any issues that's gonna show up here. You also have the page speed, custom search, custom expectation, analytics, search console, validation, link metrics. You know what? If you're running your own business, or if you're handling your someone else business, you can connect that business Google Search Console with this Screaming Frog. Also, you can add another page speed page, and Google Analytics. You can link them up with these tools, so it will give you more accuracy and more genuine result. So this was the main context about Screaming Frog. Let me give you a recap. What I told you, that how a Screaming Frog works, and how a Screaming Frog works, and what need to check when you make your own audit with the Screaming Frog. So first of all, we have all the things on the top. This called uh, we have internal external linking, we have response code, security, URL, page index, page titles, meta keyword, meta description, canonicals, h1, h2, content, image, so page annotations, sitemap, page structure, site structure, custom extraction, analytics, search console, validation, link metrics. These are the things all we have in the Screaming Frogs, and that's it. It's not very much hard. Anyone can check their website health, website audit with this Screaming Frog, and this is really helpful. If you have any website and you haven't know how is going on, how is performing about the technical side and on-page side, if you need to do a audit, you can do it with the Screaming Frog. Anyone can do it, very easy. If you have any type of question, anything need to know, if I miss anything, you can let me know. I'll be happy to learn from you, no problem at all. And if you need to do your website audit, then I can help you to do so with the Screaming Frog. Yeah, I have a special template for auditing. So yeah, no problem at all. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe my channel and do share my video if it's helpful for you. Thank you.